Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Pipedrive CRM. It's a user-friendly tool for managing sales pipeline. So let's dive in and follow these steps together. Now for the first step is to set up your account. Sign in to Pipedrive and configure your settings such as company name, currency, and time zone. And to do that, just search in Google for Pipedrive CRM and click on the website here. You can choose a free trial here. Let's click on it and create an account. Now after creating an account, I'll just use my Google account to make it easier. Here, let's follow the prompts. And that's it. Now you choose which job title describes your role best. Select if you have used CRM before and enter your phone number here. And that's it. Now you can access it. No, I'm not gonna complete the procedure, but you get it. Now for the second steps is to add leads and deals. Use the leads inbox to capture potential clients, move qualified leads into deals, pipeline, or organize them by stage like contacts made, negotiations, and closed. And for the third step is to track activities and analytics. Schedule tasks and the log calls or meetings for each deals. Use Pipedrive's built-in reports to monitor progress and forecast sales. And that's how to get started with Pipedrive CRM. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.